So, dear students, today we are here on the new chapter, that is triangle and its properties. Triangle is a figure which we have started understanding right from class, I think third or second, okay? And we were knowing very basic about triangles when we were in junior classes, okay? Today I will tell you in little bit deeper, the triangle is a very familiar figure, okay, which we see around, okay, like the mountains, okay, you have seen the mountains is in the shape of this one triangle. There are some shapes which are provided by nature. There are some shapes which are provided by nature, which you see here and there. Those shapes are provided by the nature, so that is why we are studying more about it. Triangle is also one of the figure which is provided by the nature. I can tell it to you how nature. Nature means if you talk about the natural surrounding. Natural surrounding में आप लेते हो the ponds which you see here and there, the trees which you see here and there. Then you see the mountains, the rivers, the like you can call it the sky. Okay, so many things which you see in natural surrounding. These shapes are given by nature only. So उसमें से एक shape triangle भी है जो हमें नेचर ने दिया. ठीक है, जैसे सर्कल दिया नेचर ने, सन है अपना, मून है, ये सारे के सारे सर्कुलर शेप में है. स्टार का शेप नेचुरल शेप है जो कि आपने बहुत दूर से देखा हुआ है. पास में कैसा शेप होता है स्टार का वो जनरली हम लोग सिर्फ एज्यूम करते हैं. वी डोंट नो द एक्चुअल फिगर. ठीक है, द सेम थिंग वी टॉक अबाउट माउंटेन. आपने देखा होगा कि माउंटेन का जो फिगर होता है, माउंटेन और यू कैन कॉल इट हिल्स, दे आर इन दिस शेप. ठीक है, विच यू कॉल इट quite similar to triangle, quite similar to the triangle. So always remember this is a natural figure. That is why we study triangle from a very junior classes. Now triangle word में ही बहुत सारी meaning इसकी पहले से hidden है. Now which meaning? The word triangle itself has triangle. ठीक है, tri means the word represents, yes, absolutely. Tri means three, angle means three angles you are knowing, which you have already studied this. So when you talk about this word triangle, tri means three, angle means you are already studied what is angle. Now it's not about only three angles it has. Three angle तो बेटा इसके नाम में छिपा हुआ है. But when you talk about triangle, triangle is a figure which has three vertices, three sides, three angles. And when you talk about more about triangle, जो भी हम अब इसमें आगे पढ़ेंगे, so it has three medians and three altitudes also. So median and altitude I am not defining right now because we have not studied right now. But I will tell you after this introduction what are median, what is altitude. So they are also three in this. ठीक है, वो भी थ्री थ्री के कॉम्बिनेशन में होते हैं. सो दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल इट द नेम एज ट्राइंगल, which has most of the things are in form of three combinations. So three angles, three sides, three vertices, three median, three altitude. So the name is triangle, but obvious. ठीक है, now let us more about it. What, just a second beta. Okay, so students, now let us discuss here ट्राइंगल के पार्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, ट्राइंगल के एलिमेंट्स के बारे में, which is necessary to know. So remember the corners where the line segments are meeting to each other are called vertices. If you give the name like A, B and C, so remember there are three vertices. First vertices is A, second is B and third one is C. It means triangle has three vertices. Name as A, B and C. Now the same thing, triangle has three sides as well. Now sides का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Sides means होता है the line segments which are there. The line segments. Now look at here, which are the line segments? AB, first one. BC, second one. And the third one is CA. It means a triangle has three sides also. Now move on to the triangle has three angles as well. Now let us name the angles here. Angles means you can also write it down like angle A, एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी, और अगर आप चाहो तो इसका नाम आप एक अलग फॉर्म में मेंशन कर सकते हो, विच इज टॉट बाय मी इन द प्रीवियस क्लासेस. एंगल ए बी सी, second name is angle BCA, and the third name is CAB. These are three triangle angles here. It means these are three angles over here. I have given the name to in different form. So this is a different form, this is a different form, but meaning is same. Okay, meaning is same. The angle part means which is coming in between. This is angle B, this is angle C, and this is angle A. So it means a triangle has three vertices, three sides, and three angles as well. We have two meanings of opposite. One that is just opposite word, like plural का singular, singular का plural, boy का you take it as yes उल्टा है ना. And एक होता है आपके पास that is सामने वाला. हाँ yes, विपरीत is different. विपरीत means एक अलग word हो गया, that you are talking about like a beautiful का ugly, ठीक है, हॉट का कोल्ड, ये वाले विपरीत वाले हो गए, दैट इज ऑपोजिट. और एक ऑपोजिट होता है उसके सामने वाला, लाइक वो पर्सन मेरे ऑपोजिट बैठा हुआ है. ऑपोजिट का मतलब होता है मेरे सामने पर्सन पे, ठीक है. नाउ लुक एट हियर हाउ वी विल डिफाइन दिस ऑपोजिट. सपोज यू हैव, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑपोजिट साइड्स. So I will take all the three vertices first, A, B and C. Now what you have to do it, you have to write the opposite side of vertices A. Vertex A means A के सामने वाली side, the opposite side of A. Can you please name it? What is opposite side of A over here? Look at here. This is there. BC. उसके जस्ट सामने वाली बेटा, ठीक है. A vertices के just सामने वाली side will be called as opposite side of it. Now the same way, can you tell me what is the opposite side of B? CA or AC? AC or CA? बेटा साइड का नाम हमेशा दो अल्फाबेट्स के साथ लिया जाता है. Either we call it AC or we call it CA. We cannot call it only C. We cannot call it only A. The name will be taken as always AC, AB or BA, like this. Okay, two will be there. 2 points will be combined now. Now, can you please tell me what is the opposite side of C? AB. AB or BA? AB or BA? AC or CA? CB or BC? All are correct. Okay, so this is called opposite sides. Now I am just turning it to the next level. Now I am asking from you what is opposite vertices, or we can call it opposite vertex. Okay, I am now flipping the question right now, and please tell me one by one how will you identify the opposite vertices now. I am changing the figure of triangle now. The name is PQR. And now I'm asking one by one to you all, what is the opposite vertex of PQ, QR, and RP? Write it down, the opposite vertices in front of that, opposite vertex. Faster now. Write it down in your pair copy and then we will discuss it. So dear all, now we are talking about opposite vertices. Now opposite vertex का मतलब क्या होगा कि साइड के सामने वाला जो आपके पास vertex होगा, that will be called opposite vertex. Now for example, if you are talking about PQ, तो PQ के सामने वाला vertex कौन हो गया? Can you please reply? R. Okay. Okay. And QR के सामने वाला बेटा? QR P. And RP and RPQ. Correct. So these are called opposite vertex. These are called opposite vertex. Triangle has many types. It means you talk about first of all on the basis of sides, on the basis of sides, triangle has different properties and different types. But when you talk about according to angles, it has different types. So सबसे पहले we are discussing about on the basis of side, on the basis of sides, triangle has three types. Now no need to mention it, just only listen this. Okay? The first is equilateral triangle. The first is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle, by the name only you can understand that it has all the three sides are of same length. All the three sides are of same length when you talk about equilateral triangle. EQUI, LATERAL, equilateral triangle. This is the first name. Second one is after equilateral, isosceles. Isosceles triangle means beta when you have two sides are of equal length. Now two sides means you can take these two sides also. You can also take these two sides and you can also take these two sides. No matter which two sides you are taking, that will be called isosceles triangle only. Now let's move on to the third one, that is called scalene. Now remember beta, either you will have all the three sides equal, or you will have two side equal, or otherwise you will have no side equal. So that if you have no side equal, that will be called as scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has all the sides are of different length. We call it scalene triangle. So remember, on the basis of sides, we have three types of triangle. One, equilateral. Second, isosceles. Third, scalene. Once again telling you, equilateral, all the three sides equal. Isosceles, any of two side equal. Scalene, none of the side is equal. I hope it is clear. Here, this is the second pattern. On the basis of angles also, we can divide the triangles into three types. The first name is acute angled triangle. Now acute angled triangle is a triangle. आप उसके नाम से ही सुन सकते हो उसको. acute मतलब एंगल जिसमें 90 डिग्री हो, 90 डिग्री से कम हो. So ऐसा ट्रायंगल, यस ऐसा ट्रायंगल जिसके तीनों एंगल एक्यूट होते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड acute angled triangle. Acute मतलब less than 90. Now remember, acute angled triangle is a triangle which has all the three angles acute. ठीक है, याद रखिएगा तीनों एंगल acute होने चाहिए. And it is always in all the figures you will find out acute only, because किसी भी triangle में तीनों एंगल acute ही generally मिलेंगे आपको. ठीक है. Now move on to the second figure, that is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Now right angled triangle means a triangle which has one angle 90. अब आप सोच रहे होगे कि मैम ने acute में बोला तीनों एंगल acute होते हैं, but right angle में मैम is not taking all the three right. Ma'am is not taking two angle right. Ma'am is only taking one right angle. Can you please tell me the reason why? Remember beta, in a triangle we have three angles only, and all the three angles when you add, the sum should be 180. ठीक है, 180 ही होना चाहिए. It cannot be less than 180. It cannot be more than 180. It should be exact 180. ठीक है. So अगर आप बात करते हो right angle की, right angle triangle की, and if you take all the three angles right angle, so 90, 90, 90. What is the sum? 270. ठीक है. So that triangle is not possible. ठीक है, triangle is not possible. Now चलो अब हम तीन triangle नहीं लेते हैं. We take only two angles right angle. Now दो मिलाकर कितने हो गए बेटा? 90, 90, 180 हो गया. तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि तीसरा वाला आप 0 में रखोगे. तीसरे को अगर आप 1 भी रखते हो, अगर आप सबसे मिनिमम डिग्री रख लेते हो, you take it only 1 degree, then to your sum is 181. Then to your sum will be 181. And if the sum will be 181, that triangle is not possible. ठीक है. triangle has all the three angles only exact 180, not less than 180, not more than 180. Triangle has property, it should always be only 180 degrees straight forward 180, not more than, not less than. Okay, so that is why a triangle can have only one right angle. So remember, the definition says that right angle triangle is a triangle which has only one right angle. Okay, and last but not the least, obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle also the same definition which I have told, like right angle. A triangle which has one angle as obtuse, which has one angle as obtuse, you can call it obtuse angled triangle. Now here, can you tell me why can you don't have three obtuse or two obtuse? Tell me now why it is only one. When it is not possible to have 90, then how it is possible to have more than 90? अभी तो मैंने 90 के लिए आपको डिफाइन किया कि 90 तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, तो 90 से ज्यादा बड़ा हुआ तो और पॉसिबल नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑब्ट्यूज मींस मोर देन 90. So triangle is not possible if you will have two obtuse angle and also not three obtuse angle, because two obtuse angle means 90 से ज्यादा. So if you take 91 also, then you will have the sum 182 for two angles. And third वाला angle if you take even 1 degree, तब भी आपका जो sum है वो exceed कर जाएगा. So that is why in a triangle it is possible to have three acute, but not possible to have two right or three right, not possible to have two obtuse or three obtuse. Only acute condition is possible. Rest of the conditions are only true for one angle. One angle can be obtuse, one angle can be right. I hope till here everybody is clear with it. Yes or no, please reply. Now students, you must be thinking, अभी just कुछ देर पहले मैंने आपको opposite side और opposite vertices बताया था, इसका use आपको यहाँ पे करना है. सबसे पहले I am going to introduce two concepts today. One is median and another one is altitude. एल्टीट्यूड के कई नाम है, मीडियन का एक ही नाम है. ठीक है, मीडियन का एक ही नाम है, एल्टीट्यूड के कई नाम है. एक घर का नाम, एक स्कूल का नाम, एक आहार बाहर जाने का जो उसके फ्रेंड्स बुलाते हैं उसको उसका नाम. ठीक है, सो एल्टीट्यूड के कई नाम है. आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट आर द नेम्स. फर्स्ट नेम इज एल्टीट्यूड, सेकंड इज परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. थर्ड नेम इज हाइट. 1, 2, 3. All the three have the same definition and all the three are same. This you can note it down in your fair copy. Okay. Altitude have the same meaning like perpendicular distance have the same meaning and height also have the same meaning. Triangle की जो height होती है उसी को हम altitude बोलते हैं. किसी भी triangle की height is called altitude. किसी भी triangle का perpendicular distance is only called altitude. किसी भी triangle का altitude is only called altitude. It means all the three have the same meaning. Altitude means the height of a triangle. ठीक है. I hope you all have observed a tent. मेरे ख्याल से almost सभी लोगों ने तंबू देखा होगा, क्योंकि आप जब हिल स्टेशन पे जाते हो तो वहां पर जनरली घर आपको ज्यादा नहीं मिलते हैं, तो आप कहीं ठहरने के पर्पज से जाते हैं जंगलों में या कहीं पर, तो आप एक टेंट बनाते हैं. वो टेंट जो होता है वो ट्रायंगुलर शेप का होता है, और आपने देखा होगा इस ट्रायंगल को खड़ा करने के लिए सबसे बीच पे ही एक रॉड लगा होता है. ये रॉड हमेशा यहाँ पे ऐसे बीच में होता है. हैव यू ऑब्जर्व्ड इट और नॉट? टेल मी फर्स्ट. यस, दिस इज ओनली कॉल्ड, yes, this is only called altitude. Remember, this is only called altitude. And I will be telling you the definition further, but let me explain it to the real life example. This is called altitude. And remember, आपके घरों में भी आप चाहे तो जहां भी खड़े होंगे आपने देखा होगा, the shape is not triangle. The shape is not triangle at your room, but then too you have always perpendicular line at the corner. Because without perpendicular, your building cannot be straight. बिना परपेंडिकुलर के आपकी जो बिल्डिंग है वो स्ट्रेट नहीं रह सकती. सेम थिंग ट्राइंगल को स्ट्रेट करने के लिए भी हमको एक परपेंडिकुलर की जरूरत पड़ती है, क्योंकि ट्राइंगल की जितनी भी साइड्स होती हैं वो स्ट्रेट नहीं होती है ना, सब स्लैंटिंग होती है। तो ट्राइंगल को खड़ा करने के लिए हमको एक किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है, हाइट की जरूरत पड़ती है, यू कैन कॉल इट एल्टीट्यूड की जरूरत पड़ती है, ठीक है। बिकॉज रेक्टेंगल एंड इन सब में तो इजीली योर लाइंस आर स्ट्रेट, यू कैन आल्सो शो द कॉर्नर ओवर हियर, बट ट्राइंगल के लिए यू नीड द स्पेस। नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू व्हाट इज एल्टीट्यूड एक्चुअली। Now I am going for the definition now. In a triangle, median and altitude both are the part of triangle only. ठीक है, median is different, altitude is different. Remember, both are the part of triangle. Both are similar in one case because both are line segments. ये भी line segment होता है, ये भी line segment होता है. Now how is the difference? Now look at here. First I am teaching you altitude. Altitude is a line segment. Altitude is a line segment which is drawn from the vertex. Which is drawn from the vertex. Now vertex कोई भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, because triangle के 3 vertices होते हैं. So the triangle altitude is can be defined as a line segment which is drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. To the opposite side. And it makes always the 90-degree angle with the side. Once again repeating, a line segment which is drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Drawn opposite side में draw करते, देखो यही इसकी opposite side थी, मैंने आपको पढ़ाया भी था अभी. So A B C लिया आपने, A का opposite side कौन हुआ, BC. आपने line segment draw कर दिया. And this line should make a 90-degree angle with this line. So then this line which you have just now drawn, if I give the name AD, so this line will be called as altitude. Is it okay or not? Please tell me. So now I have drawn for this figure. Now I am showing it to you for different one. A, B, C. अभी A के लिए ड्रॉ किया, अब B के लिए करते हैं. Now see the line segment joining from the vertices or any of the vertex to the opposite side. Now I have drawn it to the opposite side and making always a 90-degree angle with that side will be known as the altitude. So this is altitude in this case now. अब ये altitude ये वाला हो गया, ठीक है. अब हम एक बार दूसरा फिगर बनाते हैं और हम लेते हैं इसमें तीसरा वर्टिसेस. सो नाउ दिस इज A, दिस इज B एंड दिस इज C. आपने A से ड्रॉ कर लिया, आपने B से ड्रॉ कर लिया, अब हम लेते हैं C से. नाउ द लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग फ्रॉम द वर्टिस टू द ऑपोजिट साइड एंड मेकिंग द 90-degree एंगल विद दैट विल बी नोन एज एल्टीट्यूड. सो ये वाला हो गया आपके पास, इस बार ये एल्टीट्यूड हो गया. इट मींस अ ट्रायंगल हैज 3 एल्टीट्यूड्स all drawn for different vertices. एक बार आपने A से ड्रॉ किया, एक बार आपने B से ड्रॉ किया, एक बार आपने C से ड्रॉ किया. So in the same position triangle has 3 altitudes. I hope now it is clear to you all.